Hey guys, Chris here. Welcome back. So, as you can see, I got something for the Corvette. I got a car cover for it. But the main thing I wanted to do today is the car has an exhaust leak. You can see when it just sits here idling, there's two black spots that form underneath the car. It looks like where the X pipe and the mufflers meet. In the box of stuff that the seller gave me, there's two exhaust gaskets. So it seems like he knew about it but didn't bother to fix it, which I don't know. I think that's kind of annoying when people know about a little problem with the car but don't bother to fix it. But anyways, I'm going to try to put these gaskets on today and see if I can fix that exhaust leak. Now I got to get this thing jacked up so I can get at gaskets. This car has special heavy-duty jacking pads right here. Oh, jeez. My jack just barely fits under. I need to get a better jack. This one is kind of crappy. I'm also going to take this wheel off because it seems like it'll be a lot easier to reach if I take the tire off. There is something cool about a 295 tire, and that's what these are. These are 295s. Whenever I need to get bigger tires, I'm going to go 315s probably. But for now, that's what it's got, 295s, which are pretty big. As you can see there, that's where it leaks out here, right where the bottom is. Right where this little black is where it's been leaking out. And I have another video of it leaking. And it kind of looks like there's no gasket at all. So that might be the problem, that there's just no gasket at all. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on and see what we get. Okay, that's one bolt out. The bolt head is a 17 millimeter and the nut is a 15 millimeter. So it's a matter of just getting under here and taking them off. That side's off, and as you can see, there is no gaskets. Doesn't seem to be a gasket in there, so I'll pop one on, put it back together, and then hopefully fix the leak here. Okay, here's the gaskets I'm going to use. Part number 31537. I don't know who made them or anything. This is all I got, so this is what I'm going to put on, see how they work. Okay, there's the finished product on the left side there, gasket installed. Now I'm going to put the wheel back on, drop the car down, jack up the other side, and then throw the gasket on the right hand side over there. Alright, as you can see, this side's a lot more limited on space. I definitely need a bigger garage. For sure. The plan's to build one in the backyard eventually. A couple years down the road maybe, we'll see. But for now, if I was smart, I would have just moved my wife's car out of the garage. But I did not do that. There's another one of these, and I'll show you for a size comparison. There's the size comparison between the Z06 tire and the Formula V tire. These are 295 18, 295 35 18 or something, I don't know. 295 35 18. And these are a 195 something 14. So 295 millimeters wide versus 195 millimeters. And these are the big Formula V tires. The Hoosier Slicks that we run are even smaller. Those are 5.5 inches wide in the rear. So it's like 137 millimeters or something, and they're 125 millimeters in the front. But these Falcons that we run in Challenge Cup, these are 195s all around. So quite a difference in tire size. Okay, so we got this side off. Now all I have to do is climb over 15 million things to get over here to my box of Corvette parts to get the other gasket, and then throw it on. Okay, there's the finished product. Two exhaust gaskets put in between that X pipe there and these mufflers. And you can see here on this piece of cardboard I put down what's been leaking out of it. So that's what I'm trying to clean up, is whatever is this stuff that's leaking out of it. So now I just got to put the wheel back on and start the car up and see how it looks. So now that that's done, I just have to grab the keys and start it up and see if there is any more leaks. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's gone and then my floor won't get stained anymore.
While we're at it, let's go ahead and get a cold start in, because those are always fun, and I love the way this car sounds. So as you can see, there's still a couple drops coming out of the left-hand side, but the right-hand side I didn't see anything come out. So I think I might just have to tighten this left-hand side up a little bit more. All right, so I got this left-hand one tightened up again. It actually wasn't that tight, so I went and tightened it down. Now I'm going to start it up again and see if that solves the problem. just took the left gasket off again and flipped it 180 degrees. So what was the bottom is now up at the top. I'll see if that helps.
So the exhaust gasket project is done. By flipping that gasket on the left hand side 180 degrees, that ended up solving it. I didn't see any more water droplets come out after that. So I'm glad with that, because if I went back and looked at the video from before I started this project, and it was spewing out quite a lot of stuff. So to have it not do anything now, I'm pretty pleased with that. And also, as you can see, got the car cover on. Fortunately, that means it's probably winter time. We're supposed to get a foot of snow tonight. So that's pretty much it with the car. 2 projects done this weekend. Plus, we also visited her college town for a weekend away. So I got to drive it about 100 miles. So it was nice weather. Unfortunately, I probably won't get to drive it for the rest of the year, but we'll see. We've had a couple sporadic nice weekends pop up, so maybe we'll have some more. That's pretty much it for now. Probably won't do any Corvette stuff for a while. I do have this clutch speed bleeder I have to put on. Maybe I'll do that next. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you did enjoy it, subscribe. I'll try to do some more stuff as the winter goes on. If that's it, happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Another thing I did recently was rearrange the garage. So as you can see, I moved the Formula V up into this part of the garage. I moved the Corvette over where that car used to be, and then I've got my wife's car in here now because she wants it in here for the winter. So, you know, happy wife, happy life. That's what I'm trying to do. That was one of the conditions for her letting me buy this Corvette anyways. So I rearranged everything to get her car to fit. The race car is basically just sitting for now. I'm not going to touch it for a while. Her car, I just changed the thermostat and the belt and the coolant and a bunch of stuff. So lots of projects over this Thanksgiving break.